So as you may know, Mercedes doesn't like Android Auto, and it's playing it half screen size, and you can see this big logo of Android Auto. Even if you go and make the map full screen, this is the full screen for Android. But with CarPlay, with iPhone, you can use the entire screen. But there's a way to do Android in full screen by Mercedes. I'm not happy with this way because for me the maps then is not working really good. But this is the device that you can do that, AA wireless, and this is only for Android devices. So after you are going to connect with this device, after you have Android Auto, then you are going to go to settings. Then you can go to advanced settings, and here you can play Android Auto over CarPlay. Android Auto over CarPlay. Turn this on, and then now the head unit is going to think that you have a iPhone. As you can see, it's trying to open CarPlay. As you can see, now you can check the entire screen. This is how you can play full screen Android Auto through CarPlay. But my problem is that it's not working really good with maps. Maybe it's has something to do with my phone. I don't know, but I'm not so happy with this. So this is for this video. If it helped you, please leave a like and put a subscribe in my channel, and thank you so much. If you have any other questions, just leave it in the comment section below.